Welcome to the Foundry by Forge College. Today, we are diving into scaling agent teams and capstone preparation. Think back to the system we built in our last lesson. This diagram shows exactly how it worked. We had a single, highly capable digital worker. It could take a task, evaluate a set of rules, and neatly pause to wait for human approval before moving forward. It worked perfectly. But in a real decentralized finance protocol, tasks do not politely wait in single file. Thousands of requests pour in at once. When that happens, our perfectly capable single agent gets instantly overwhelmed, dropping data and grinding the entire process to a halt. The instinct here might be to just make that one bot bigger and faster, what developers call vertical scaling. But to truly handle this kind of traffic, we have to build a coordinated team of bots instead. We have to scale horizontally. Moving from a simple script to a fully autonomous system means we have to change how our agents communicate, and that is the foundational step you need to complete before building your final capstone project. To manage a team, we need a foreman. Let's look at the schematic of our new digital assembly line. Right in the middle is our orchestrator. The orchestrator's only job is to dispatch work. It doesn't process data, and it doesn't make complicated decisions. Instead, it reads a simple set of rules, a routing configuration file. By glancing at this file, the orchestrator instantly knows which incoming task belongs to which worker and sends it exactly where it needs to go. The orchestrator is essentially the boss who aggressively delegates all the real work. It routes specific jobs to specific experts, like sending raw information to a data collector agent or sending compliance checks to a policy responder agent. The boss just points, and the workers scramble to keep up. Designing this system so it stays lightweight enough to run locally on your own laptop for testing is a core part of the hands-on learning you experience in Forge College's Web3 programs. You don't need a massive server farm to build a working prototype. Separating the task routing from the actual thinking is highly intentional. By decoupling these jobs, you create a system where you can hire brand new, highly specialized worker bots at any time, all without ever having to rewrite the orchestrator's core logic. This setup creates a new challenge, though. When you have a whole team of digital workers handling different pieces of the exact same job, how do you track down a problem when something inevitably breaks? Imagine every task getting its own digital barcode, a trace ID, the second it enters the factory. This diagram shows how we use that barcode to create what's known as structured telemetry. Because every worker logs that same trace ID, we create a shared state. If something goes wrong, you can look at the barcode and trace the exact journey of a task across the entire distributed team, step by step. Which brings us to our next critical topic, safety. If one of these tracked tasks violates a policy and triggers a guardrail on the assembly line, we need a way to stop it safely. Because of our modular setup, the orchestrator can pause just that one specific problematic job. The rest of the factory keeps humming along while that single task waits patiently for a human to review it and explicitly grant permission to proceed. When you combine universally shared trace IDs with these strict modular guardrails, you take a chaotic swarm of bots and turn them into an observable, auditable DeFi application where every action is accounted for. Let's step back and look at the system as a whole. This entire local setup we've just visualized is your scaffold. It is the architectural blueprint you will use to build your final capstone project. The most critical technical takeaway from this design is simple. Orchestration is about coordination, not policy. The dispatcher manages the traffic, and specialized modules do the thinking. Keep those two things separate. To successfully hand this off, you need a few concrete items. You need this working local scaffold, clear integration notes, basic health checks to ensure the system is running correctly, and captured trace evidence showing trace IDs in action. Think of this scaffold as a starting point. It provides the testable foundation for your capstone team to build upon and harden for the real world. Building this multi-agent scaffold provides the technical framework needed for complex autonomous DeFi protocols. To learn more about these systems and other Web3 topics, visit forge.college. We will see you in the capstone.